Super Seesaw teachers, this is Alyssa Deese. Today I wanted to show you how to get an activity from the community library, how to favorite it, how to copy and edit it, how to assign it to a class, and if you want to, assign to just a small group of students and add it to a folder. So I'm here in third grade and I'm going to start looking for a multiplication activity here. And let's say I have decided that this is the one I want to use. If I click this heart, it will be favorited, and now the arrays and multiplication has been saved to my library. So I can go to my library, and there it is. I can either assign it as it is, or if I'd like to, I can also edit it here, and I would go ahead and copy and edit so that you keep the original that the author has created, and you can have make some changes here. So for here in directions, I might say use the pencil or pen to write an equation to match each array, include the answer or product in the multiplication equation, and tap check to submit. And then I can add voice instructions if I want to. I can also edit the template and then save it. Now I'm ready to assign it to my class. I'm going to assign it to this sample class here, and I'm going to click right here where it says Edit Students Folders Skills. And I'm going to assign it not to all of them. I'm going to assign this one to just Spider-Man. You could select more than one student, so if you had a group of students that you wanted to assign this particular activity to, you could assign it to a small group of students by just selecting the names of that group of students. Then I can tag it to a folder, so this one would be in math, and if I have uploaded any skills, then I can attach those skills to this activity. And then I'm going to assign to one class, and they can see that in the sample class. And so now in my activities, if I'm a student, I can search through the folders to find just the math activities, and then click back here to go to clear that selection. So now the students will be able to complete that activity, and only the students who that was assigned to would have this in their activities feed.